Welcome. If you're tired of constant notifications for group requests on Instagram and you're using your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable those group request notifications using the latest Instagram update. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Instagram's website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your main Instagram feed, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several icons. Find and click on the icon labeled More. It's usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or dots. A new menu will pop up. From here, click on Settings. This will take you to a page where you can adjust various aspects of your Instagram experience. Now, look for the Notifications option in the Settings menu. Click on it, and you'll see a list of different types of notifications you can manage. Here, you want to select Push Notifications. This is where you can fine-tune what Instagram alerts you about while you're using your PC. Scroll through the list until you find Group Requests. This is the section that controls whether or not you get notified when someone invites you to join a group. By default, this might be set to On, meaning you'll receive notifications every time there's a new group request. To turn these notifications off, simply click on the Off option next to Group Requests. That's it. You've successfully disabled group request notifications on Instagram using your PC. Now you can browse, post, and interact on Instagram without being interrupted by unwanted group invitations. Remember, you can always come back to these settings and turn notifications back on if you ever change your mind. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. See you next time.